Hey guys, hope you're staying safe in this pandemic. Today I wanted to talk about desensitizing your dog, to a collar or any object for that matter. Usually it would be the collar or the harness, but when you know, when you're at home, if you take a broomstick or mop your floor and the dog barks, then you can use the same technique to desensitize your dog towards the broom or the mop or whatever. So I've been helping people train their dogs, and then one of the common things that I see with most people is that their dog bites the collar or they run away from the collar, and I don't know what not. They even nip the owner's hand. So it's been um, a, a a reason not to train the dog. So that acts as a reason not to train the dog, or the owner gets upset, frustrated, and then they ignore the dog, or even they yell at the dog, they uh, beat the dog. So to avoid all those situations, you have to desensitize your dog to the collar or whatever you want to introduce to your dog. Let's see how the final behavior looks like. I usually keep my dogs, or put my dogs in a SAT before wearing and removing the collar. You can choose to keep the dog in a down or stand or whatever you like. Um, but in this video, the main thing that I wanted to showcase is the different steps that you can take to desensitize, and then wear the collar or remove the collar. Max, எழுதுமா? So you can see when I remove or wear the collar, the dog doesn't shows no reaction, meaning it's already desensitized. So it doesn't nip, doesn't bite the collar, doesn't run away, or it offers me the behavior that I do want. To start to start this training, all you need is a good high value treat. I have some boiled chicken over here, and then Max is going to help me demonstrate the desensitization. Max, think about it. So when I wear the collar, it's going to be as simple as that. Like so the dog is desensitized, and you can see it shows no reaction. Even it is the same when I remove the collar. So he doesn't nip, he doesn't bite. So it's all the thing that I want him to do. Okay. If I were to train the dog once again on desensitization, I would break this into a couple of steps. The first step would be the sight of the collar. So let's assume this is the first time the dog is ever going to wear a collar, and then you get a new collar for your dog, and then when you introduce him, just bring the collar to the side of the dog, and then offer him a treat. So you don't have to say anything. The act of bringing the collar to his eyesight, acts as a cue. So all you have to do is bring it to his sight, and then reward him. Let's assume he's completely okay with looking at the collar and not nipping, or he shows no reaction towards that. We can then move on to the next step, which is touching the dog's skin with the collar. So get the dog used to the feel of a collar. Do not wear the collar right away, but get the dog used to the feel of the collar. So touch a skin, and then that becomes a cue, and then the reward comes after. So let's watch it once again. So assuming he is completely okay with the feel, we can then try wearing the collar, but you don't have to lock the loop. So just have it on, and then reward the dog. have it on and then revert it off. The very first time you're going to do this, obviously your dog is going to bite or nip you. But once once you do this exercise over and over, he will be desensitized. Alright. Adding a sit, you could do that later, but that's not part of this video. But I'm going to show you the final behavior. Once the collar is on, you could desensitize your hand moving towards the collar first before removing the collar. So touching the collar or moving your hand towards the collar will be a good cue. Once he's desensitized towards that, you can have a hard grip or a hard hold. Assuming you progressed well in this stage, you can move on to the final one, which is going to unclip and then remove the collar. So I'm going to demonstrate once again. And then from here, you can add the SAT. That's not part of this video, but I just wanted to show you. Thanks, Erendirma. Alright. This is all for this video. I hope you guys are safe during this pandemic. See you in another video. Stay safe.